Here's what I meant by creating a choose your own adventure. First of all, you open up your Google site, choose forms. You're going to put your title up here, choose your own adventure, or your students are going to put their titles up here, choose your own adventure. This first section is actually going to be a page header. So once you go, you'll show your kids down here, add an item, and then choose section header. I think I said page header, section header. They'll put their story here, and then as far as the choose your own adventure part, you'll go down, put a question at the bottom. You'll add a multiple choice question. Johnny should. So an alien pops up to Johnny, challenges Johnny on his knowledge of the water cycle. The alien says, if you answer my questions right, I'll give you my spaceship. What should Johnny do? Johnny should. And then this is multiple choice. Take the challenge, walk away fast, agree to answer only one question. And then you're going to click continue to the next page. Now, obviously, your kids are going to have their story, most of their story or all of their story written out by this point. So let's say you have four pages. You would go, if you take the challenge, then go to page 3. If you walk away fast, go to page 2. And if you agree to answer one question, go to page 7. Obviously, your kids are going to need to have a storyboard of some sort worked out so they know that if you choose answer A, it'll take you to page 7, and then they have to finish out the story as it relates to page 7. This would be, I think, a pretty big project for an elementary ed level class. I think it'd be a little bit more manageable for middle school. And I think you could make it really complex for high schoolers if you're talking about specifically the water cycle and what happens at certain temperatures and certain pressures. But anyway, that's the basic outlay of the lesson would be to have kids write the stories in a section header, add a multiple choice section down here where each one of these choices takes them to a different page. And then, of course, you need a storyboard and some pretty well-organized students to know where the story is going before they actually get to this part of the lesson. There you go. Tweet me at Thrasymachus or follow my blog at Thrasymachos, THRASYMAKOS .wordpress.com.